Hey guys, it's Leah, if you don't know already. Today is Friday and I'm going to a bonfire tonight, but first I'm going to Sophia's house and it was her birthday yesterday, so I'm gonna see her. Alright guys, I'm about to head out. Love you, B! Hi, Vaughn. Alright, guys. Look what Vaughn got for Sophia.
Even though I already got
Jeffree Star's cremated palette. That's like the newest palette. Oh.
Hi, demon.
It's blinding.
You miss me?
Ooh. Oh my
You have to put it on. Put it on.
This is cute as fuck.
Put it on, B. Hi, Truffles. Hi. I'm scared of this doll.
Why is this so cute?
You look so good. I knew it. It would look so good on you. Yes, B. So, this is my fit for today. What you doing, girl? She's retouching her makeup. Period. Alright, guys. I'm leaving. We are meeting up at the bonfire. We're about to leave. Alright guys, I'm actually at McDonald's right now. Hi, I'll get a large Coke.
Large Coke, anything else?
What's your name?
I'm Ray.
Hey.
I'm Leah's best friend.
I'm Leah's best friend.
Yes, bitch! I'm Leah's best friend, bitch!
Yeah, so this is the bonfire, guys. Wait, I don't know if that's gonna be. Yeah, so someone brought a puppy here. It's so cute. Look at. Yeah, so there's a dog in my car, and he's asleep right now. I don't know why. Yeah, so he just put a chair on the fire.
Hey yo, hey yo.
Alright guys, so I'm at Seattle right now. We all dipped the bonfire.